Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 22nd December 2025, Nifty Index opened gap up by almost 100 points and gained momentum to extend gains with buy-on decline throughout the day. It inched towards 26,000 levels and closed the week on an optimistic note. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame with longer lower shadow indicating support-based buying and broke its lower highs lower lows formation of the last 4 sessions to close with gains of around 150 points. It formed a doji sort of a candle and an inside bar on the weekly basis. India VIX was down by 1.9% to 9.5 levels. Nifty put call ratio increased to 1.13. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,500 to 26,400 levels, while immediate range could be in between 25,700 to 26,200 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 2,387 crores, while DIIs were also buyers worth 5,200 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 8.8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to cross and hold above 26,000 levels for an up move towards 26,250, while support can be seen at 25,850 levels. Now talking about Bank Nifty, this has to hold above 59,000 for a bounce towards 59,500 marks, while on the downside support can be seen at 58,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Shriram Finance, TVS Motor, Sona Comms, Laurus Labs, Eicher Motor, Glenmark and Bharat Forge. While some weakness could be seen in SAIL, Blue Star, HFCL, JSW Steel and VBL. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.